Hi guys, let's see how to remove a password for the Excel workbook in MacBook specifically. So for example, this is a test file. I'll try to open it to ask for a password which I have set, and that is 12345. Yeah, it opened. So this is a basic test file. Now let's remove password for this Excel. Go to file, save as. In the save as, before saving, click on the options button and you could see the password there. Just type the backspace. Basically you need to remove the password. Click on OK and save. While saving, you are basically replacing the existing file. Yeah, let me close this file. Yeah, I have replaced the existing file. Now let's open this. Yeah, it opened without any password prompt. Now since we have removed the password, let's set up the password to this Excel file again. So again, click on file, save as. Before saving, click on the options and you can add the password. Now let's see, 1234567. Okay, again for the confirmation you need to enter the password 4567. Okay, and save. I am again replacing the Excel file. Let me close this. Yeah, now I will open this. It will ask for the password 1234567. Ta-da! Now we have basically removed a password for the Excel file. As at the same time, we have also learned how to add a password to the Excel file. Hope you learned something today. Bye.